Hi everyone, here we've got a ULEFONE Note 8P, and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. So if you've got a situation that you cannot do anything because the screen did not respond to your touches or swiping, then you can soft reset your device, and thanks to this it will be restarted, and after that the screen should get back to its normal state. So in order to soft reset your device, all you have to do is simply hold the power button and volume up button together and to wait until you will see the black screen and it will be restarted. So let me do it. Let me press both of those buttons and wait. And as you can see, the screen gets black. We can release the buttons, and in a second we should see the ULEFONE, so the developer's logo, and after that the device will be restarted. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset, how to force restart your ULEFONE Note 8P. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.